Hi, miss. Are you looking something here?
Yes, I'm actually trying to check out the factory here. Would you be able to show me around?
Yes, of course. I can show you around here. I am Lucas, and you are?
I am Lily.
Hi, Lily. This is my name card. Nice to meet you.
This is my name tag, Lucas.
Alright, thank you. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Have a look. So, Lily, would you mind if I explain everything to you in Chinese?
可以，我明白一点点 Lucas.
Wow, good.
Actually, my company has been looking a lot of other factories, but I am more keen in Setia Business Park too. My company is looking for expansion.
Oh, sure. 那我为你简单介绍一下 SPP 2其实是一个非常成熟的工业区，我们这边一共拥有244间单位，在里面呢，我们有不同类型的厂房，像是有田字型厂房、半独立式厂房以及独立式厂房等等。
I see, Lucas. Is it medium or light industries here?
哦，我们这边都合适 light 和 medium industry。那么 Lily 想请问你的公司是从事什么行业呢？
Actually, Lucas, my company is doing manufacturing. What other businesses here, Lucas?
哦，我们 SPP 这里已经是完全建好的项目，像是这边呢，我们有一些不同类型的行业，比如有像是 distributor、engineering、warehouse、logistic 这一些等等，甚至我们这边还有 post office 以及攀岩呢。
Wow, there's a lot of variety here. Lucas, why do you think that the industry businesses doing business here?
哦，其实选择在这里设厂的原因有很多，主要的原因是地点。SPP 2位于Dato Onn，距离南北大道、EDL、Terblau 及跟 bus 出口处都只需要3公里，周边也围绕着成熟发展的住宅区，有超过数十万人口的消费族群。大型购物商场像是 Bandar Dato Onn 私立学校、大型私立医院都在附近。好 ，Lily， 那我们一起进去看看吧。
Yes, I can't wait to check it out.
Let's go。好，我们现在已经站在田字型厂房前面了。田字型厂房土地面积为72乘160，建筑面积为7488。
Okay, so Lucas, what is the ceiling height and floor loading?
Oh, come, I show you. 这里的 ceiling height 为8米高，地板的承重量为1吨重，可以说是非常的宽阔。除此之外，这里还有2个 roller shutter， 甚至厂房旁边还有高达25尺的空间，可让您装卸货物更加的便利。
Wow, sounds pretty nice. But I think my company would really want a bigger space like semi-detached. I heard it's pretty realistic, right?
Oh, yes, you are right. 不然我现在一起看看。其实生密地厂房也是非常宽阔及实用的。厂房的面积为80乘180，建筑面积为8570方尺。
I see, Lucas. Is there a mezzanine floor here?
Yes, of course. Let me show you.
Alright.
Yes, Lily. 这里就是我们的 mezzanine office。mezzanine office 可以做成你们的办公室，来兼顾你们公司的运作。
I see. It's really good for our corporate staff. So I was wondering, what's the ceiling height and floor loading for this?
这里和田字型厂房都一样 ，high ceiling 为8米高 ，floor loading 为1吨重。除此之外，这里外面还有高达25尺宽的装卸空间哦。
Wow, Lucas, you have given me a lot of details today. I honestly think SPP2 is really a good choice for us.
So Lily, can you tell me, why do you like SPP2 here?
There's a lot of advantages here, Lucas. For example, it's already completed. It won't take a lot of time for my company and it won't affect our work so much. Other than that, Lucas, I really like that it's gated and guarded. It's very safe. They also have a lot of green features. They also have passive low energy facade, heat reduction loops, and many more. So Lucas, tell me, what's the price?
Wow, Lily, 你问到最重要的问题了。我们这里的价格非常的合理，所有的厂房折扣高达32%% discount。Cluster start from 2.3个 millions， 而 Smidi start from 2.7个 million。除此之外，我们这边还包含你1年的 maintenance fee 以及 defect liability 哦。
Okay, so tell me, what's the booking fees?
Wow, Lily. the booking is only 1%.
Thank you, Lucas. You have done a very good job in explaining. I think I'm gonna go for the semi-detached.
Wow.
So, here's the 1% booking fee for you.
Thank you so much, Lily. I'm so happy I can help you. Please contact me if you have any question. I am Lucas.
I'm Lily.
Bye.